Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to trace OFAC sanctioned Bitcoin addresses using Bitquery Moneyflow. To start tracing OFAC addresses, go to lite.bitquery.io and paste the address in the address bar and select the date range. Now, to understand how Moneyflow Lite works, you can visit docs.bitquery.io/moneyflowlite, where we have explained how CoinPath API works and how to perform basic tracing. Now I have selected this particular OFAC sanctioned address that belongs to this particular entity. Now you go to lite.bitquery.io, paste this address, and on the right side this will generate a statistics for the current address. Now you can select a date range in which you want to trace. Now I have generated a Sankey graph for the particular sanctioned address for a few dates in the third week of June. So I have observed maximum activity in that period and generated a graph for that. Now this money flow graph has traced up to level 2 of outbound transaction, meaning Bitcoin flowing out of the account. But if we scroll down and see the transactions, we see that in this particular transaction, the sender is this address and the receiver is another address, while the receiving value was only $20, but the transaction amount is very high. Now if we click on the transaction hash, it will take you to the explorer page with detailed information on the input and output. Now while going through the output, we see that most of the outputs that are sent are not changed. Now this particular value 17.17 BTC, which is about 150,000 USD, is marked as change, meaning the sender has received most of the money back. In this particular OFAC sanctioned address, a lot of small amounts of BTC, excluding a few outputs, are sent to other addresses, while most of the BTC has been sent to its own address. Like this, we can filter for specific transaction amounts in Moneyflow Lite and then analyze that particular transaction using BitQuery Explorer. So this way you will be able to analyze sanctioned Bitcoin addresses and other suspicious addresses using Moneyflow Lite and analyze individual transactions to understand the flow of Bitcoin from one address to another address through multiple levels.